Hello everyone, I'm here on 22nd Street in front of 401 South 22nd Street, and the building is located between Pine over there and Lombard over there at the light. And this is one of the nicest area, very close to Rittenhouse Square and Filter Square. The unit I'm about to show you is a studio on a first floor. This is what the outside looks like. It's a rainy day in Philadelphia. It's a beautiful tree-lined street here. And I get in and show you what the inside looks like. So when you open the first door, you have this vestibule, and right up there you have a mailbox on your left. Nice space, mat for foot. Then you have another door. It's a very secure building. You need to have a key to get in. So as you walk in, you have this next stairs. Here is the door to the basement. In a basement, you have a washing machine, a laundry machine. Over there, you have the dryer. Over here, you have the washing machine. So this is a common area. Now I will get into the unit and show you what the inside of the unit looks like. Hello, here I am on a second floor to show you the beautiful one-bedroom unit. Going up, you have a third floor. On each floor there are 2 units, as I told you. So I'm gonna walk in. The unit door size D, but it is a unit 2F. As I walk in, you will see this beautiful original hardwood floor throughout your living room. I'm gonna get there in a little bit. The first room you see as soon as you walk into the unit, I came in through this door, is your kitchen. It's a huge kitchen. On your left, next to your door, you have this nice size closet space. Nice size closet space. This is your kitchen. As you could see, you have this huge window for a natural light. You have a radiator for a heat source. And this space, you can set your breakfast table and make it a breakfast place here. And it's a nice space. You have plenty of cabinet space as well. You have rangewood. You have a gas oven and cooktop. You have this window. You'll be looking out to 22nd Street from your kitchen. This is what your kitchen looks like from this angle. Over there you have your fridge. The building has a central heat. It's a radiator heat. So the next place I would like to show you is this amazing living room. You have same huge window for the natural light, and you have very high ceiling, a beautiful hardwood floor. Your view will be similar to the kitchen. You'll be looking out through the window to 22nd Street. This is what your living room looks like from this angle. Next is your huge bedroom. When I say huge, it's very big. Same as the living room, you have this beautiful hardwood floor, very high ceiling, two huge closet space, one over there with the mirror, and the next one here on my left. It's deep. This is what your bedroom looks like from this angle. You have a huge window again inside your inside your bedroom, and the radiator for the heat. Next is your bathroom. Inside your bedroom, you have this huge bathroom. It has tile floor, tile walls throughout, medicine cabinet. It's plenty of natural light. You have window here, window over there. And you have a bathtub, shower combo. Right, just showed you a one bedroom unit inside 401 South 22nd Street. The unit number is unit 2F. I hope you like the unit. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.